Alright, so if we're welding aluminum sheets, what materials do we need for welding aluminum? The wire depends on the weld joint you have. Its thickness is determined by the welding effect. So, this one here. That feeding wheel. You need to prepare U-shaped feeding wheel. For this 1.0 wire. And use a graphite tube for wire feeding. It is recommended to use a 3-meter graphite tube for feeding. The feeding thrust will be stronger. Here is a pin location for the welding wire. Insert the pin into it. Align it with the hole to prevent the wire from scattering inside. As for this aluminum wire, we can only pull about 8 kilograms at most. If using steel wire, it can pull around 15 to 15 kilograms. The maximum is 20 kilograms. It is recommended to start welding with a wire tension below 15 kilograms. Press down the groove of the feeding wheel, feed it in and then tighten it. Do the same for the other end. This way, we can feed the wire out. After feeding it out, align the graphite tube properly. You can push it all the way in. After pushing it all the way in, you need to pull it back a little. Don't push it all the way to the bottom. Then tighten it. Also, don't leave too much distance. If you leave too much distance here, it's easy for the wire to get stuck or tangled. That's the installation. Alright, after securing the wire, simply open the wire feeding. Let the wire feed out. Pay attention when feeding the wire. Check if this wheel is operating normally. Make sure it's pulling the wire. Feed the wire out. Then, in this step of the wire feeding, insert it into the wire feeding mechanism. Leave the copper nozzle at the end of the wire guide. Insert it into the wire guide. Insert it at the very end of the wire guide. Hold it a bit tighter. Prevent it from moving left and right. Then, the distance between the wire guide and the welding copper nozzle. Also, keep about 1 to 2 millimeters. Don't stick it too close or pull it too far. Around 4 to 5 millimeters is not recommended. Then, use our small tool. Finally, place that tool. Insert it here and insert it to the back. Then tighten it. Then check the wire welding position. Check if the wire coming out is in the center of the wire guide nozzle. Is it aligned with the center of this groove? That's it. Because this graphite tube has a certain elasticity, we need to tie it with the optical fiber as much as possible. Try to tie it together. This way, it will have a positive effect to prevent blockage. This way, the tube won't bend.